The next section that we'll review today will be the order section. This is where you would manage your deliveries and pickups. Now, I have created some test orders to show you exactly what to expect when you create those orders. So when you first see the order, of course, you're going to see that one, you can view them all, or you can view them by delivery or pickup. We're going to take a look at the delivery options here today. Now, as you can see, you're able to see the details of the person who ordered it, the delivery date and time, the phone number for the person who ordered it, the delivery address, and the status that this is set for a delivery. Now, for deliveries, you are able to assign a driver to each of those orders. So you would simply click here and select the driver that you want to assign. Now, let's take a look at viewing the order in full detail. So at the first top of the screen, you're able to see that this is the full order details on this page. You're able to, one, add a delivery photo to this. So that way, one, you can see what it looks like if you have repeat business from this particular customer. So that way you can make sure that you don't send them the same product. And then two, they can also be sent this image once you send them the status of the order as well. Now, you are also able to see the order number here, the order date, the status of the order, and the payment status. Now here you're going to see the customer information. This is the name of the customer, their email address, and their phone number. And below that, you'll be able to see the delivery details and the date and time for that delivery. You're also able to see the cost of that item as well on this screen. Now the next screen is going to be the delivery tracking information. You're able to see the order received, the preparing the order, the out for delivery, and the delivered. All of that information there. If there are any returns or any issues, you're able to edit that information here. Now, if you need to make any edits to the order, you can do it directly from the edits page. Now you're able to put the client information in, update the phone number. If it's a vendor, you can upload that information or choose that information. You can choose the event type. You can change the delivery date and time. Now, for purposes to keep yourself organized, I would certainly say do not give your clients exact time of when their order can be delivered. I would say give them a window of time. That way, that allows you as a business owner to have some flexibility and not be consumed by timing and have the orders arrive late or too early. If they are giving a window, it's a much better option than a certain time. Now, you can change the times for the delivery window. You can also update the address, update the recipient details and phone numbers. If there are any codes or any special messages or instructions, you're able to add all of that information here. That way your delivery driver will have that information available to them. Now, if you need to add any additional fees, you're able to do that here as well when you edit the order. Any card messages that were a part of the order, you can add that information here. And then you can also change the status to the order from this page as well. And then simply update the order. So we're just going to make that update to that order. And now it's changed to delivered. Now you are able to send tracking details to the clients. So that way they can have that information to show the status of that particular order for the customer that they have chosen for it to go to. Now, to create a new order, it's going to be similar to the information that was in the edit screen. Simply the client name, phone number, vendor is optional. The event type, you're able to select from here. The email information that will be used for tracking, you would make sure that information is here, and then you would choose the date. And then once you select the date, you're able to choose the delivery window time. And then you're able to enter all the client information here, the cost of the item, you're able to add all of that information here. So you would just simply add the cost in there and then create the order.